In this video, I'm going to show you how not to cut down a tree in your backyard by not cutting down a tree in my backyard. Yep, I'm not going to cut this tree down. I like it. It's a good tree. Why would anybody want to cut down a tree in their backyard?
Please allow me to welcome you to my channel. My YouTube channel! I post some videos of my wife, my life, my dogs, my cars, my motorcycles, and other projects. I enjoy getting engines to run, and as a young homeowner, you can watch me fix things. Even if it's not the right way, I still fix things. I'm a mechanic by trade, and I used to wrestle on the weekend. Yes, that kind of wrestling. And no, you probably never heard of me. I like to fix things on a budget, so without further ado, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, and share.
So yesterday, we decided to take the old Rambler up to a local car show. Hit the clutch pedal, clutch cable snapped. No big deal. Towed it home with the Ford. Did the clutch cable. And then the starter gear snapped. Big letdown. So, I deleted the posting I had on Facebook Marketplace for the car. Not because I'm going to keep it, but because somebody's going to get a lot better deal than they were going to. So, no more driving the 66 Rambler. No more turning these old keys to get this thing started. Pay me cash, take it away. I am sick of it. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a screw gun and a Phillips screw. We have a loose deck board. I'm going to line the Phillips screw up here on the deck board. Make sure your screw gun is in the forward position. Oh, what's that over there? Just looking at this tree. Oh, hi, Gunner. Is that you? Hi, how are you? That's how you approach a dog. Good boy. So you grew some lettuce in your home garden. You want to pick some off for dinner. This is how you do it. There's no engine or gas tank.
But that's why it's not running.